Alright, this is just a quick overview of how to use the Drive Time Analysis web app. So first, when you load it in, you'll view the map here, and then in the left-hand side, you'll have your analysis creator. But if you go to the top right corner, here you can select the filters for the fire stations. Right now it's defaulted to the 3 Salisbury stations, but if you wanted to, you can select the other ones as well. For now, we'll just leave it at that. And then if you navigate over here to the left-hand side, this is where you can create the drive time analysis. Over here in the layer button, you can select which layer you want for the fire stations you have here, and then if you wanted to, you could use the service response district points, which are these smaller points here, if you wanted to do that. For this instance, we'll just do the fire stations, and that selects the 3 Salisbury ones that we have selected, or the other ones if you choose. However, if you go to this pencil icon here, you can actually add points to the map if you wanted to do a drive time analysis of a different thing. But for now, we'll just do the fire stations. And then if you go down here, driving time is what's selected default. You can also choose these other options, but for now, we'll just do driving time. Cutoffs is the amount of time that you're working with. So if you want, you can just type in the number of minutes. For this, we'll just do 20. And then we'll just leave it at away from input locations. And then time unspecified is the default departure time. You can also select a custom one if you would like. And then the overlap policy. So since we're working with multiple different features here with these 3 fire stations, it's going to create the drive time analysis with 3 different polygons. However, we're going to change that to dissolve, which will create it all in one polygon. And then output name, we'll just name it test. And then you can also save it in a particular folder if you would like. For now, I'll just leave it in the default folder. And then you can just click run, and it might take a few minutes for it to complete just because it's dealing with a lot of data. All right, and now it is complete. So here you have the polygon of the drive time analysis for 20 minutes. You also have your other layers still in there, and this polygon will save into that folder that you saved it in.